Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Salma. Today I want to talk about what is debating. Debating is a battle about finding the most justified and effective solution to a problem. In British parliamentary format, each side consists of two teams and each team consists of two members. Maksudnya di sini, di dalam British parliamentary format ini ada 4 tim, dan dimana masing-masing tim itu ada yang berperan sebagai opening team dan juga closing team. Nah, di bagian opening team itu ada yang disebut dengan opening government, terus opening opposition, dan di bagian closing ada closing government and closing opposition. Nah, di masing-masing tim itu terdiri dari 2 speaker. Nah, mulai dari opening government, kita menyebut first speakernya sebagai prime minister, terus second speakernya kita sebut sebagai deputy prime minister. Selanjutnya di opening opposition, first speakernya kita sebut sebagai leader of opposition dan second speaker disebut sebagai deputy leader of opposition. Lalu di closing government, first speakernya disebut sebagai government member and second speakernya disebut sebagai government whip. Dan yang terakhir pada closing opposition, first speakernya disebut sebagai opposition member dan second speaker disebut opposition whip. Di tiap-tiap speaker mempunyai perannya masing-masing dalam menyampaikan suatu perdebatan. Contohnya saja yang pertama Prime Minister. Prime Minister itu tugasnya set a clear debate, mulai dari menjelaskan tentang problem, terus stand and mechanism, lalu masuk ke goal serta bring argument. And next to leader of opposition, tugasnya itu yang pertama provide counter stand atau solution, and the second bring rebuttals, and the third bring argument. Selanjutnya untuk deputy sendiri ada beberapa hal yang perlu disampaikan. Yang pertama answer the rebuttal from your opponent, and the second rebuild your team case that has been attacked by your opponent, and the third bring new rebuttal and argument, and the fourth tell the judge why the opening debate answered the most important question. Oke, next kita akan membahas tentang member. Adapun yang dibawakan oleh member itu yang pertama explain where closing team different from the opening team, and the second bring new rebuttal, and the third bring new argument. And for the last is whip. Adapun hal-hal yang dapat disampaikan sebagai whip yaitu yang pertama bring rebuttals, and the second give biased conclusion of the debate, such as explain how the debate should be judged and explain why your team answered that. Oke guys, itu tadi perkenalan kita tentang what is debating, for especially about DP parliamentary format. So I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to learning, practice, and see you for the next material. Bye bye.